Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to see if you have the Instagram Messenger update. Firstly, get up into your profile section on your account on Instagram, then select the three dots on your right upper side, go for the side which says settings, the first selection, and now you need to go for the search box and then you need to type for data, and as you can see here you have app updates. Go click on it, and here as you can see, if you have getting on these all with turning on, automatically update Instagram, it will get up to that section. Also it will give you a notification that Instagram needs an update, and that also when will be update it will says that Instagram is installed update section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.